How to create a form in Indition Forms, Contests, and Surveys. From the dashboard here, we can either create a custom form, selecting this option here, or what we can do is create a form using a pre-built form, and that'll allow us to start with a foundation. So I'll show you both methods and show you how easy it is. Provide a name, select a category. You can enter a new category, and then you can select that new category on future forms here. I'm okay with custom form. You can customize the URL. Otherwise, we're going to provide a blank page to display the form on and auto-generate the URL. So either you're fine with the auto-generated URL, or you can customize the ending of that URL here. Provide a description so you can understand what the form contains without having to enter it each time. That's optional, so I'm not going to do that. We'll save and we'll do something very basic like name and email. So we click full name and we click email. This is our selection of fields to add. If you wanted to do a custom field, you can choose a field like short text or long text. It's basically a blank input field, and you can customize all the settings of it. To configure a field in the form builder, click on the field and you'll see your configuration options on the right side. So you can click email to change the field title. You just want to say email address. And we will require this field and we'll link that column name to email by default. What that means is when somebody actually submits this form, we'll be creating a contact for that submission, and we will map the email, whatever's entered in the email address field here, to the email address field for the contact. So we'll apply. Maybe we want to require first name as well. Again, just click on the field, configure on the right-hand side. Remove this, and then save. So we have now built our first form. To go back to the dashboard, I can show you how that could have been quicker if we just say create contact form. We see that we have these pre-built form options available to us. Here's name and email, basically what I just created. Demo pre-built form. Our category is already selected for us to be a contact form. You can change it, save, and then you'll see the form fields will be already within the form builder selected, pre-configured, they're all required. I didn't require a last name on my other one, so we'll do apply. You can see in this form, these are text fields to be separate when I did do a full name field, and that's the only difference. Save the form. Now we have two different forms. One built from the custom form process, creating a custom form. The other I built using a pre-built form.